Hello everyone, today we will be unboxing the Gigabyte Aorus Geforce Rtx 3060 video card. This is the 12 gigabyte version and comes with 3 fans. They call it the WindForce fan, that's the Gigabyte's trademark fan name. It also contains RGB function in the fan itself, and the card itself has 2 display ports and 2 HDMI ports at the back. So let us begin with the unboxing process. Okay, first thing first, let's take out the box. The inside box also has the Aorus logo printed on it in silver. And then we have a Aorus envelope. We'll look into that shortly. And below that there is foam, and then below that we have the graphics card well nestled inside a lot of foam. I'll take out the card and put it on the foam. There is a little sticker here as well with the Aorus logo. Let me bring that a little bit closer so everyone can see. Okay, let's have a look at what's in the envelope. Opens up. We have the Gigabyte's warranty card, and you got to register your product for the 4-year warranty. That's about it. So the electrostatic bag itself is taped with the Gigabyte qualified tape. Don't exactly know what that means for us. However, there we are. Let's have a closer look at the card. So the dimension of the card from the back plate to the front is about 1 feet or close to 30 centimeters. So width-wise, we have nearly 5.5 centimeters or just over 2 inches. So at the front we have the 3 fans. They have either the Aorus printed on it or the Aorus logo. So at the back we have the aluminum plate with the Aorus logo printed on it, and Aorus is embossed there as well. There is a section that is cut out. This is to allow air to pass through from one of the fans directly over the cooling fins. And at the very tail end there is Geforce Rtx printed on it. Power wise, we need 1 6-pin and 1 8-pin PCIe connectors. This is situated quite at the middle of the card as opposed to the tail end that is more conventional. However, I suppose this is how this card is. So Gigabyte has shipped this card with the PCIe port protected with a plastic cover. Also, the display and HDMI ports are also sent with these plastic caps that we can pull out when we are using them, but otherwise we can leave them there to protect dust from getting in there. At the bottom end there isn't much happening, simply because there isn't going to be much visibility in this area once the card is installed. I quite like the fact that they don't have stickers and things like that on top like the cards used to come before. It's just simple plastic cover, but at the same time I have to say this feels a bit too plasticky, this cover. Well, that is all I had to say in this video. On my other channel I have a lot to say about properties, and I try to be as funny as I can manage. The recent video that I did was about my most recent renovation project. It's the best renovation I've done till date. Hope you check that video out. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself.